I'm Aryan Sinha. So friends, we are again back with Dog's Dinner game, the platform game in Scratch. So what do we do in the last video, part 4? So friends, we created the level 2, okay, on part 4. Now friends, if you have not watched part 4, please watch it. It was very amazing, okay. Now friends, in today's video part 5, I am going to create level 3, okay friends? Now friends, this game is really fun, right? That's why I am creating part 5 and I am very excited. You know why? Because after the part 5, then we can start our coding with the platforms. Isn't that crazy? I am so excited. Now friends, before that, we have to create the level 3. If you want, you can just create level 1 and level 2. There will be no problem. Okay. Now, let's start. Now, first of all, I will duplicate level 2 and then I will create level 3. Now, friends, this level would be a little bit different from the rest of the 2 levels. Okay. And then I will delete these long rods of level 2. Okay, now friends, I will separate the dog and the player block for a little bit because they are just disturbing me. Okay. Now friends, I will go to platforms again and then I will delete all of these blocks and then I will just leave the last block. Okay friends. Now friends, level 1 has many colors. Okay, it's made up of many colors, but level 2 has one default color. Same like level 2, level 3 will also have one default color. Okay, it is red color. You can keep pink and then light blue, green, brown by darkening it, and anything you can do. You can keep it black too, okay, but I want red as it is looking good, right? It's suiting too. First, I will select the remaining this platform, one platform. I will decrease it, make it little bit smaller. And then according to the XY grid here, you can see I will locate it on the stage. Okay, in part 3 we added the XY grid when we were creating level 1. Now we will talk about those things later. Now I will start. Now first I will increase its size, maybe this much or maybe more long. First I will select its position. I will keep it a little bit here. Okay, I want everything perfect. And a little bit down. Just below the 100 Y coordinate. And then little bit here. I will keep it little bit further, little bit down, and then I'll decrease it. Okay, great. This much is perfect. Now what? What I will do now? I will tell you. Now I will increase its size a little bit more. Okay. I am not clicking green flag right now, or else the dog will go here and the player block will fall and that howling dog will show up, and I don't want that. Do you all agree with me? Yes, thank you. Now I will increase its size. Let me think. It is a very big hole for the player block and the dog to jump. It will be too easy. I don't want the game to be too easy. That's why I am increasing its size. Maybe this much? No, this is not enough. Or you know what? I will keep this much. Okay, this much should be perfect. Yes, it's suiting too. I will decrease it little bit. little bit. Okay, great. It's looking perfect. Now friends, we have created the first bar. Okay. Now when we are happy with this bar, we can just copy it and paste it. Now friends, why do I say at the first that this level will be little bit different? Because I will add a twist. First I will copy it and then again paste it. In level 1 and level 2, the copy paste option helped us a lot. In this video part 5, the level 3, in this video, the copy and paste will help us a lot because this make our work very easy. Now first I will decrease its size. Now I will tell you the reason why this level will be little bit different. Because I am going to add a twist. What is the twist? I am going to make a rectangle, little bit small rectangle. Okay, I will keep its size like this. And great. Okay, this was the twist. I am going to add this block here so that the sprite will have little bit problem going on this side. Okay. Now I will decrease its size little bit, not much, or else it will look like a square and it will not look perfect. Now I actually wanted to position it here, little bit closer to the 100 coordinate. And great, perfect. I just wanted it to touch the 100 coordinate here. Okay, and it's perfect. Okay, we are done with the first platform with a little square like rectangle. Okay, rectangle like square. Now friends, we have the second platform to do. Now, what will I do now? First, I will position it in such a way that it should be little bit down here from the x coordinate and the 200 and 100 coordinate, and little bit down or little bit up, and then I can just position it. And I want to keep it not in the center. The center line is here. This is like the prime meridian. Okay, we will talk about the prime meridian later. And then little bit further or else little bit closer to the prime meridian line, the middle line. Okay. Okay, great. Now we have the second platform. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited how it will look. Are you all excited with me? Yes, you all should be because it's fun, right? Now I have to position it. Why I am grabbing this anyway? I can just position it with my left and right, up and down arrows anyway. This is very useful feature because dragging it with just the mouse pointer will take a serious time because it will go anywhere and we don't want that. Actually, you know what? I am going to position it little bit up near to the 200 bar or a little bit down. Actually, I want to keep it down this layer. Okay. Okay, great. It's now completely positioned. And I also wanted to keep this bar a little bit more longer. And then again I will select it. I will increase its size. Not perfect. I wanted it to come here in this square column. Now, and then little bit up. Okay, great. Because before it was lying one tiny bit layer below this line, okay, which is the negative 100 coordinate, y coordinate. Now I'll go to costumes again. And great, I think everything is positioned, and then I'm going to just increase it little bit, not this much. There are two different ways this level will be different than the other levels. Why? I'll tell you. First I'll position it, I'll decrease it. Okay, great. Now I'll select this square like rectangle, copy it and then paste it. I'll keep it down here. First of all, what I'll do is I'll decrease its size and increase its length. And then I'll position it in the downward part of the stage. And then I want it to be a little bit closer to this layer, okay, because this is the last level. Okay, after that there will be no other level. And then we can start our code. Before talking on the code, I will increase its size. Let me think. I think I should keep it a little bit, decrease it. Okay, great. Now we have completed our level 3. This is the difference. Level 1 is the first level. That's why we have here gap, because in the first part 1 of Dog's Dinner Game, I told you that there's going to be a secret portal that will help us reach the next level after we collect all our points score. That will be the bone. Okay, now friends, I just wanted to test it as it is very amazing. Green flag click. Oh friends, it's working, yay! Now friends, see, I want to tell you something. In part 1 and part 2 we were just with a single platform. Okay, there were two walls here protecting us and not letting us fall down. And now we are from where to where. The position you can see. We are upgrading. Slowly we are upgrading, right? Yes. In the next part 6, we will create the code for the platforms. Now friends, I just wanted to test it again as it's a very fun game and I am just not talking. Okay, see, that's why I added this, so that the dog can just go pass away from here to here. I wanted to make it a little bit complicated, not too high or else the dog could not jump or else it will touch the upper part. Positive y80. Why 180? Okay, let's go down. The reason is I make it higher, or else if I keep it a little bit near here, it can go up back. Now it can, and that's why I keep it in the corner so that it can go up. And then I can go back here. Then let's see, can I go back up here? Absolutely not. We can go up there. Okay, absolutely not. Now I will go to this bottom layer. This is the last layer, and after we will catch the portal after collecting all our scores, then we can go back. Okay, great. I can jump from here to there. Okay, so that the player can collect more bones if needed. Okay, great. It's so fun. So friends, what did we do in today's video? We added the level 3, which is a little bit different. First we duplicated level 2. Okay. Now what did we do? That was very loud. Okay, no worries. Now first we duplicated level 2. Then we selected one of the last bars, this long bar, then we duplicated it, and then again duplicated it, and with the help of this long bar we created all of these things, level, platforms. We are upgrading slowly. Okay, we went from a single common cat sprite to this position. Scratch is really a great programming application. Okay, or else you can call it software. Okay, see all our coding and hard work from zero to this position. Now we can say that we are proud of ourselves. We will slowly make more updates on it, and I am very proud on myself. So it was today's video. Thank you. Bye. Like and share. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon.